In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about business rule validation and provide you with some examples. So here we have list operations, and obviously we cannot have 10 years old age for the patient which was born in 1944, 48. Sorry. So this is incorrect. So let me show you how we can validate this kind of data. So start from creating new transformation, call it business rule validation. We set our read type to Excel. Select patients. To select connection name as well. Okay. All right, let me just copy it to right. And we bottom up our data. Then what we need to do, we need to calculate difference in dates. So we have date of birth. We need to reformat it. So format. So the format is this one. And then we need to get current date. What we want to do, we calculate the difference in years. 77, so we need to swap it, sorry. Just swap it like this. So the age is 77. Okay. So what we need next, we need to compare two values. And we compare it with age. Comparing numbers. So we need to set well, values we're going to use. 21. If it is success, switch it slightly, so just not that messy. And 0 if it is valid. Okay, this failed. This one is correct one. What we need to do next, we need to set to add validation rule is equal to, and when it is equal to 1, to 0, or to 1, we reject it. So this record is rejected, that record is not rejected. There is another more simple way of doing things. Instead of using compare values, we can just use minus. Let's go minus, I don't remember the function, so we have add. Yeah, it's called subtract. So we can just use subtract. So we just subtract one value from another, like this. And as you can see, it's much cleaner, less validation transformation functions. And in real life, that means it is faster. Okay, if we want to run the transformation, we need to set that our target type is text file, like source, and also to select the file. CSV, for example, and to overwrite it, and to create header, and just bottom up everything again. I see everything was rejected. Actually wrong. Why everything is rejected? Zero. Zero instead. So it's working now. Cool. Let's run it again. Excellent. So this time we rejected only one record and return 3. This is how it should be. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please go to support forum and post them there. And as usual, we will do our best to help you. And of course, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.